Good morning, students. We are going to study today chapter lenses. This is our 7th chapter of Science 1. Now, before going to the chapter, let's see the basic lenses. What lenses is, what are the lenses, what are the mirrors and so on. Now, we can see any object, correct? The object is seen by us, correct? Daily morning, we see our face in the mirror. That is an example of mirror. So that is nothing but here in the mirror it goes in the form of incident ray, correct? It comes back in the form of refracted ray. So this is an object, correct? Its image appears over here. So if this is an consider object, here the image occurs as it is. So whatever may be the size of the object, that much size of the image is seen, correct? It happens only in plane mirror, correct? But in plane mirror there are various different types that we are going to see. So basically two types are convex and concave. Now suppose this is a mirror, correct? A shaded part or some part of it is cut down, that is said to be your lens. That part of the mirror is said to be your lens. So there are two types. One is convex, another one is concave. Convex is nothing but outsource is bulge, and concave it is inward direction, that is pulled toward the inward direction. Convex is used to see nearby objects clearly, correct? That is said to be your myopia. Concave is used to see far object, that is distance object, that is hypermetropia. Now in telescope, correct, we use binoculars. Binoculars यानी कि दूरबीन, जो हम लोग objects दूर के देखते हैं, they content of concave. Whereas your what you can say compound microscope and all, we can see small object tiny clearly with our naked eyes. They have is your convex. Now there are certain types. Now let us see certain types. Now suppose this is your two mirror, correct? This part is cut, correct? From the two part, this creates your one type of lens, correct? Whereas another part is cut in this direction. Suppose in this direction, so this becomes in this direction, and another part of this direction is taken and forms the another image, correct? That is the type of another lens. So from the part of the mirror, shining surfaces are removed. They are taken as concave and convex. Now when it is of single type, correct, it becomes plano. It becomes plano. Where it is of two type, and it becomes bi. So they both becomes biconvex, plano-convex. Similarly, this is plano-concave and this is biconcave, correct? Plano-concave and biconcave. Even there is a combination of concave and convex. So this will be a concave and this will be a convex. That is combination of concave and convex. Let us see now more few concepts about the mirror, that is how it is refracted and how it is not refracted. Now suppose this is what you can say a lens, correct? Its center is said to be your center of curvature. The center point is said to be your center of curvature. This straight line which is going is said to be your principal axis. This is said to be your principal axis. If the object is over here, correct, so distance between the object and the center is said to be your radius of curvature. This object is said to be your radius of curvature, correct? This image, and if the object is over here, this is said to be your what we can say principal focus. This is said to be your principal focus, and its center part is said to be your principal axis. Correct. We have seen center of curvature, principal axis, correct, principal focus, radius of curvature. Same case it is for, this is for convex, it holds for concave also. So we have seen basic part, lens this. Now let us see one real diagram of it. Let us suppose this is an image, correct, lens. It has a center, that is your principal axis. If this is an object over here, correct, this is an object, it passes through, that is nothing but this is said to be your incident ray. The object is seen over here, this is said to be your refracted ray. So whenever a person sees back the object, refracted ray is focused from the image. So whenever the refracted ray is focused, here it put it on the image and the size of the image looks bigger. Correct? That ray diagram construction is shown in your figure as explained. So please read textbook page number 80, 81 and 82. Remaining part we will see in next lecture. Thank you.